How's it, everybody? Okay, yes, I'm using like a little small kind of microphone action because I'm gonna put these videos on top of YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that people have like easier access to them. Plus, um, especially if I get good audio, like using a mic like this, then I might be able to get more accurate subtitles and captions. Okay, here we go. Welcome to Embedded Assessment for Writing an Argumentative Essay Workbook Part 2. This workbook, you're going to be watching videos like this, seeing my big fat head over here. Boom, look at that. And then answering questions on the next page based on information that I give you. Yeah, a lot of you guys in the last one just put any kind dumb answers, and guess what? You got any kind dumb points. You know what I'm saying? Do I actually go through and check all of your answers? Why wouldn't I? Yeah, like I want to like make sure that you guys understand. Why wouldn't I? Yeah, I check all your answers. So make sure that the answers that you put here are not copied and paste like some people put from dictionary.com or something that was super lame. The answers are going to come from here. I don't care what dictionary.com says about this questions. I don't care what the internet says about this. Yo, I only care what I say about this. Yeah, no offense. Here we go. Mr. F, what is an argumentative essay? Well, let's first talk about it by talking about what's the difference between a report and an essay. Yeah, so a report shares basic information about a topic. An argumentative essay takes a topic and then makes an opinion about that topic and then works to prove that that opinion is true or possible. You can pause now and write that answer in. Okay, welcome back. Yo, question two. Then what's the difference between an essay and an argumentative essay? Well, yeah, they both are pieces of writing that make opinions about topics and then work to prove that those opinions are true or possible, right? Are valid, are reasonable, are sensible, logical. But there is a difference. The difference is this: an argumentative essay goes a step further. It takes a controversial topic and argues that. It addresses counterclaims, and then it also uses rhetorical techniques to persuade readers to believe that its opinion about that controversial topic is true or possible. Okay, that's the difference. You probably should pause, rewind, then pause again, then write your answer. Okay, welcome back, guys. Yo, Mr. F, do we need to do research for our topic for this argumentative essay? The answer is this: it depends. Yeah, just pause and write that in. It depends. But you got to know what it depends on. No, you don't have to do research if you know choke information already about a particular controversial topic. Like the windmills, for example. If you was all up in the windmill protest, if your parents was always talking about all the details of the protest, how did AES get through? How did AES able to do this without like these like community like meetings, so on and so forth? Um, if you know all of the details, and you probably don't have to do much research at all, if any. But if you're trying to do a report on a controversial topic, if you're trying to do an argumentative essay on a controversial topic, but you don't really know that much about it, yeah, then yes, you're gonna have to do research. So pick something that you're comfortable with. Yo, if you're trying to say that the LA Lakers is the best basketball team in the NBA, I'm going to tell you, you might know a lot about that topic and not to do a lot, and you might not need to do a lot of research, but that's not very controversial. They won the championship. So, yeah, I'm not trying to hear about that topic. That's pretty obvious. But if you're trying to talk about that the Clippers are still the best team in the NBA, even though they got smoke in the playoffs, okay, that's controversial, but it's doable because there actually are a lot of people that believe that that's still true. So maybe. But if you know all about the Clippers and why they're still so good and what happened, why they folded in the playoffs, yeah, then write about it. And you don't need a lot of research to do that. Last question. Why do we need strong reasons and evidence in our argumentative essay? Yo, is this a trick question? You're trying to convince your readers that your controversial claim is like true or possible. And to do that, people ain't dumb. And people have their own like opinions. So you're going to have to work hard to convince people that your opinions make sense, that your opinions are persuasive. That's what this whole argumentative essay is all about. And now you know the answer is peace.